thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allen County in northeastern Indiana, eastern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Adams County in northeastern Indiana, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bluffton to 8 miles northeast of Montpelier, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bluffton, Decatur, Middletown, Preble, Nottingham, Vera Cruz, Magley, Travisville, Craigville, Poe, Murray, Reedsburg, Peterson, Monmouth, Petroleum, Naples, North Oaks, Tucson, Hoagland, and Kingsland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, and Wells.